Hello everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. Don't know how to cook very well, so I do not know a lot about this topic. But I like eating, so I like talking about this topic. This video is for people who are learning English. I will speak slowly and clearly. If you are a beginner in English, this video will help you practice your listening skills. I really enjoy eating different kinds of food. For breakfast, I usually have toast with butter and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I have cereal with milk. Breakfast is important to start the day. For lunch, I often eat a sandwich or a salad. My favorite sandwich is cheese and tomato. I also like chicken salad with lots of vegetables. Lunch is usually a quick meal for me because I'm busy during the day. Dinner is my favorite meal of the day. I like to eat pasta, rice, or potatoes with some meat or fish. I also try to eat vegetables with dinner. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza with cheese and mushrooms. I don't cook very often, but sometimes I try. Last week, I tried to make spaghetti with tomato sauce. First, I boiled the water for the pasta. Then I put the spaghetti in the water. While the pasta was cooking, I made a simple tomato sauce. The pasta was good, but the sauce was too salty. I put too much salt in it. It was not the best meal I ever made, but it was okay. I'm still learning how to cook. Sometimes I try to follow recipes from the internet. Last month, I tried to make a chocolate cake for my friend's birthday. The recipe looked easy, but it was actually difficult for me. The cake was a little dry, but my friends were nice and said it was delicious. I am lucky because my mother cooks very well. She makes delicious meals every day. Her specialty is chicken curry with rice. She uses many spices that make the food taste amazing. I always tell her how much I enjoy her cooking. On weekends, we often cook together. I help her by cutting vegetables or washing dishes. It's nice to spend time together in the kitchen. We talk about our week while we prepare the food. I remember a funny situation last Christmas. My whole family was at our house for dinner. I wanted to help, so I offered to make the dessert. I decided to make apple pie. I followed the recipe carefully, but I forgot to turn on the oven. After waiting for 30 minutes, we discovered the pie was still raw. Everyone laughed, and we had ice cream for dessert instead. I think eating together with family or friends is very important. It's not just about the food, it's about spending time together and talking. Some of my best memories are from meals with people I love. To summarize, I enjoy eating different kinds of food. My favorite food is pizza. I don't cook very well, but I try sometimes. My mother is a good cook, and we sometimes cook together on weekends. I believe that sharing meals with family and friends is very important. If you also like food and cooking, please share your experiences in the comments. What is your favorite food? Do you like cooking? Thank you for watching this A1 English listening practice video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can also download my free listening time podcast to practice your English more. Goodbye and happy eating.